So today I'm going to be attempting to do my own eyebrows with this instant eyebrow tint. And you want to start off with a clean, dry face. Now, hon, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I read the directions, so we're going to figure this out. First, I'm going to just brush my... Because I get my eyebrow tint, I go and get it threaded and tint. But if I could pull this off, I'm gonna be saving so much money. Now after I done brush it up, I'm going to draw it and arch it just so I can have like a little map to go by. So these are all the products I'm gonna be using. The instant eyebrow tint, the little brush. I'm gonna line up my brows to make sure that it's arched how I like it before I even apply this. And a cotton pad. I have 2 cotton pads. So as you can see, I just did like a outer line just to give me like a map on how I want to apply it. You don't have to do this, but this just because I'm kind of shaky with my hands, so I want to make sure I put it on right. So I'm gonna start off by putting the cream colorant on number 1 and the activator on number 2. It says to use all, but I don't have much eyebrows, so I'm not gonna use all. I'm gonna try and make this give me at least 2 uses, but do whatever makes you feel good. So it looks just like this when it's on the circles. And first you're going to put the first one on and you're gonna wait. The box say 1 minute, but I'm gonna wait 2 minutes. And then you wipe it off with a dry cotton ball, and then you do the applicator. You leave it on. The box say 1 minute. I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes, and then you use a damp cloth or cotton ball to wipe it off. I am so scared. I'm nervous. Let's do it. I'm trembling because let me count to 2 minutes. It's 11:46. So let's count to 2 minutes. But I'm kind of nervous because I don't even know how to take this off if I don't like it, you know? Like I'm freaking trembling. And they say to do 1 eyebrow at a time because, you know, whilst this one drying, you don't want to be messing up the times and having one darker, so that's why you want to do it 1 at a time. So it's officially my 2 minutes. It's time to wipe it with the dry cloth. Now, I never done this before, so... Okay, wipe it. And then they say to now put the application, the activator on. I'm nervous. I have this little brush because you don't want to use the same brush. Guys, I hope mine mess up my brows. Wet the cotton ball after 1 minute and take it off. Yeah, guys, so I like how this goes on. I like that a little goes a long way. Like I literally didn't even have to use all this, and I knew that, and I still sprayed out a little too much. Okay guys, so it's time to wipe it off with the damp cotton ball. Oh, I like it. I like it, guys. Let's do the other one. You guys just wanna apply it. I never did this before and I wanted to make sure everything came out good. Okay, we're going to wipe it with the dry. I can't believe I did this myself. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. Wipe it dry. And then you're going to do your applicator. Okay, so I put on the activator and now let's wait the 1 minute. And we're gonna damp our cotton ball and then wipe it. Like, look at all of this. And I still have some left over, you know, so if you guys do invest in the big one, that should last you guys like about 4 or 5 months. Picture how much money you're saving. Time to wipe it. Wet. Show you guys how good my eyebrows look. So as you can see, it definitely gave my eyebrows a boost.